Hey, what's up you guys? It's Alexis and today is going to be my dorm room tour. So let's get into it. Okay, you guys, let's get started with this dorm room tour. So when you first walk in, this is the first thing that you see. Obviously, I have a roommate, but I have not gotten permission to show her side of the room, so we're just going to focus on mine. So yeah, this is what my room looks like. So when I was thinking about what I wanted to do for my dorm, I wanted to go with something simple and not too much, kind of a minimalist type look. When you look down, when I get off of my bed, the first thing I step on is this rug that I got from Walmart. I woke up like this. I had to get it because Queen Bee. Fun fact, this actually is a rug that you step on when you get out of the shower, but I switched it up. And next is my desk right next to my bed. I am an art major, that's why I have the sketchbook, because I was actually starting to work on my first art project, so I had to start on that. Other things I have is my printer, my math binder, my sociology book. My mom actually got this for me. I will put it on the screen where she got it, but she also got another thing to hang up on the wall from the same place. This is my diffuser. If you guys know what a diffuser is, it's basically where you put essential oils, and it basically is a mist that goes in the air and makes your room smell amazing. I currently have lavender in the diffuser. Okay, so above my desk, I have pictures of me and my friends because I do miss them very much. And I need to get pictures of my mom, my dad, and my family. But I need to put that over my desk as well. But these are just pictures from like prom. We had this back to school bash at my school, so I have pictures from that. Okay, so let's move on to the bed, my favorite part. The bedding is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's actually a Kate Spade. I didn't know what the decorations were on the bed at first, but they're actually glasses. Who would have thought? And yeah, the pillows I got from my aunt, and the pillow in the back I also got from my aunt. I will list everything on the screen once I find out. And this was the other painting I was talking about that my mom got, and the lights are actually from this place called Five and Below, and it was like under $5. Isn't that crazy? And also this furry sheet is also from my aunt. Okay, so this area right here is somewhere that I usually don't sit down on. This is a chest that I got from the at-home store, but I usually put my books up here, and that's about it. I know you guys are probably wondering, Alexis, what is inside that chest? Well, honey, I'm about to show you. This is where I hide all my goods. You know, the goods. Okay, so I usually just remove my books and my backpacks. You guys are gonna be shook about what I got in here. Just know it's the goods, okay? It's just food in here. I literally have my cereals, my little snacks if I get hungry in the middle of the night, because the cafe is not always open. And yeah, it really sucks, but that's why you have to have a backup. Okay, so right next to my chest, I have my art supplies. I am an art major, so of course I have like a bunch of supplies. Maybe one day I will do a little mini art haul because there is a lot of stuff to cover, but this is usually where I put like my board and my art carrier where I have all of my art supplies and stuff, but that will be a separate video. When you turn around, there is this huge closet, and I am warning you guys, it is a little bit messy. Just a little bit, just a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. The reason why I have this thing is because when I leave the room, I usually like to lock things up to make sure no one steals anything, but I have been using it, so this is usually where I hang up my towels. My jewelry is hung up on these two things right here. I'm telling you guys right now, what is on the towel is bleach. And also I have my makeup and things from my shower, my head caps, flat iron, curler, all that stuff. And up here, I usually have like my other things that I need: face wash, toothbrush, laundry detergent, jewelry, etc. Now I think you guys know why I lock all my stuff up, because people try to be stealing. Down here I just have extra towels and toilet paper and etc. Under my bed I have drawers where I have extra stuff like pajamas, underwear, extra blankets. Now, right by the door that you exit, there is a closet where me and my roommate have separate sides. Mine's on the right here, and hers is on the left. I do plan on switching out my clothes for when fall comes, of course. And here is my laundry basket. I'll put the name where I got it on the screen as well. And then over here on my side is the door that leads to a sink, and also on the other side is my other dorm roommates that I usually don't see, and there's me. Hi. So yeah, that is my dorm room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos. I love you guys and see you in my next video. Mwah.
Hey, busy any with the Bombay. Fuck it, I done had a long day. I done linked up with my old thing. Right time, but the wrong place.